Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shegun and I'm a Flutter engineer. So in this channel, I'll be discussing a lot of exclusive content about mobile development in general. Also discussing about how to use tools like Flutter, Java, Kotlin, Swift, Dart, all in relation to mobile development. So if you're a beginner or planning to get started in mobile development, well, the channel is for you. I'll be releasing content on how to get started software development journey as a mobile engineer. Also for the advanced and intermediate guys that are already into mobile development. So I also release the content where you can also learn one or two things along the way. So do well to subscribe, like, share with your friends, share with the community about this channel. Also turn on your notifications so whenever I release a new content, you'll be among the first guys to get the notification. Also you can follow me on my social media platform on Shegun Codes.